everybody, welcome back to our channel. So here is a non-traditional grocery haul for us. We did not need groceries this week. We had way more stuff. We have way more stuff than what we know to do with in our fridges and our freezers. We cannot fit one more single solitary thing in our fridge or freezers. However, we are having Sunday social for church, and that's starting to start up again. And so I'm very excited about Sunday social. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, and of course I don't live anywhere near my mom, and the ones of us who live far away from family, we will gather tomorrow at church for a Sunday social. Instead of having a regular service, we will have just food and sharing, and we'll still do all the regular stuff we normally do, but it will just be in a home setting instead of the church building. With that in mind, we are all asked to bring a substantial side dish and drink. And so I said, well, let me see what coupons I have. And I want to give a shout out to my Memphis coupon friend. Thank you so much. I got the coupons yesterday and was able to pick up the beans. And so that was a very big help to me. And actually, another friend of mine who lives close to me in my town, actually, I was able to get the cheese and I think a couple of these candy bar items. So I know that the candy bar items seem to be a little bit controversial, but trust me when I say that my children do not eat the candy. We just find people to give it to, or different little things. Like this last week was Teacher Appreciation Week, and where my children in regular public schools, we would have taken all of those items and we would have put them in a candy basket for their teachers. Now, why would we give the teachers the candy? Well, sometimes the teachers use these things as little teacher gifts, or pass the test and you get the candy bar type of thing. And so since I didn't have to pay for any of those items, and I am a teacher and I know that, those would be nice items for the teachers to keep them from having to come out of their pocket with money to buy prizes for their classrooms. They might have eaten it, I don't know. But anyway, that would be my thought. So let me share with you what I was able to get. The majority of the items here are for Sunday social. And then I'm going to share with you 2 recipes that I am making. I'm not going to share with you the full recipe. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be taking for Sunday social. So let me start. So over here are the Oreo cookie bars. I know some people love these, some people do not. I've never eaten one of these ever, and I don't plan to. Doesn't look appetizing to me. But they were 99 cents, buy one get one free, and I had a 55 cents off of one that doubled to $1.10. Thinking about it now, I should have just bought one and not gotten one free, because that would have saved me a whole nother $1. So I could have saved another $1, but I was okay with that. The Hershey Caramel Golds, these were 99 cents at buy one get one free. And I had $1 off of 2, so I got those for 50 cents each, I think. The Hershey Cookie Layer Crunch were 99 cents, buy one get one free, and I had 50 cents off of 2 that doubled to $1. So I probably spent about $3 here just in candy. But again, we have a lot of kids at our church. So, these can be mom baskets or whatever. There's quite a few moms in our church. You could do anything with these. These are not necessarily for our consumption, but maybe for somebody else. The Galbani cheese, these were $4.69 at buy one get one free. So that made them like $2.35, and I had $1 off coupon, so $1.35 for each bag. And we do eat a lot of string cheese. This week at Harris Teeter, these were our free items. The Sola Greek yogurt, so I got a peach, and I got a Lindor chocolate bar because it was the free item for the week, so didn't pay for any of those. The next thing I got, which were very helpful because I'm doing baked beans, so that's one of my recipes that I'm going to be making is baked beans. So I got 2 cans of the vegetarian Bush's baked beans. They were $1.99, and I had a coupon for $1 off of 1 each, so I paid 99 cents a piece. Then I got these Bush's Best chili beans, and these chili beans I think were 10 for 10. And then there was a 75 cents off that doubled to, if this was 10, if it was $1, it doubled to $1. I think these were free because these were the 10 for 10s. And also the Bush's black beans were 10 for 10s. I'm going to try my hand at making black bean burgers. And so I picked those up. And then the black bean Fiesta beans were $1.69, and there was $1 off one, or $1 off each of these. So I paid 69 cents for these. Then I always pick up, you know, my handy dandy cooking spray. I just have to have that. The kettle chips, and I got barbecue, honey Dijon, and spicy queso. My pastor likes spicy. And so these were 2 for $5 or $2.50 a piece. I had a 75 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.50. So I picked up 3 of these bags. These are all going to Sunday Social tomorrow. And then the last item that I picked up was this Ajax. And I always like this. I don't necessarily like this for dishes. I prefer Dawn or Gain. But what I will do is put these in the soap dispensers for the showers. We spray it down with a daily shower cleaner, but then we also wash them down. I got like those little scrubby brushes that you can put the soap in, and so I can use this to put that into the scrubby brushes. And they were $1.29, and I had a 25 cents off coupon that doubled to 50 cents. So I paid 79 cents each for those. So this is my grocery haul, and let me share with you what I spent. My balance was $13.59. My manufacturer's coupons were $14.60. Double coupons were $6.50. My Vic savings was $15.87 for a total coupons of $36.97 or 73% savings. I did use 20 coupons, and so that is the grocery haul that I'll be using Sunday Social, Sunday Social, Sunday Social. This is for cleaning. These will be for weekly lunches. So let me show you what I'm doing in my crock pot. You won't see the end of this because I'm just getting started and it is extremely late, so this will probably be tomorrow's dinner. But I just have some regular chicken breasts that I took the fat off of, and then I just put in here, what did I put in here? I put some tomato basil. It's a salad dressing called tomato basil. It's a Ken's salad dressing, and I threw the bottle away, I'm sorry. And then I put in a little bit of Ken's balsamic vinegar in there. So I'm just trying to season the meat. I didn't put any additional seasonings on there. There's probably about 5 or 6 pounds of meat in here that I'm going to shred and use for additional recipes. I do think I'm going to try to use some with the black bean fiesta. So maybe do like a Mexican chicken, and then I'm going to just have chicken for the week. And then with the baked beans, my sister sent me over a recipe that calls for onions, peppers, brown sugar, pineapples, and I have all of those items in my pantry and my freezer. Let me show you. So I have plenty of pineapples here that I plan to use for that recipe. And then we have plenty of beans because I'm going to try my hand at black bean burgers. And I do have this paste salsa that I'm going to use for some of the chicken that I am putting in the crock pot. And then I will show you, here I've got my pepper blend that I'm going to be using for the baked beans. I've got white pearl onions. I'm probably going to just defrost these and put them into the food processor to make smaller onions, or I'll just chop up an onion. And then of course I do have some additional pepper blend. So I'm going to be using those items, and here's more peppers for the Sunday Social baked beans. I'm going to be doing those in the crock pot. And so I bought 2 cans, and my sister gave me 1 can. So 3 cans. And then I also have some coupons for the little Huggy Juices. I'm going to pick up 2 boxes of the Huggy Juices. And then I have 3 coupons for $2 off of 2 of the Blue Bunny novelty ice creams. And because it's going to be 90+ degrees tomorrow, we will pick those up for the kids. We have a lot of kids that go to our church, a lot of kids. So those will get eaten probably by the children. The adults won't even get any. And that is what we are there for. And again, it's just for those of us who don't live close enough to our families to, you know, be able to go home and see our parents, or maybe some of our parents are, you know, not still living. My grandparents have passed away, and of course my grandparents raised me. So my grandmother, who I consider my mother, is passed away. So my actual biological parents are still living, and I do see them from time to time. I probably see my dad more than I see my mom, but Anyway, I will not be going to see her because she does live hours away from us. But this is our non-traditional grocery haul, and I'm probably actually going to pull out a couple of those ginger ale drinks that I got last week with coupons. So I'm going to pull those out as well and add to the things that we're taking to Sunday Social. So out of everything here, this is going, these are going, these are going, and then the 2 or 3 things that I mentioned already will also be going to Sunday Social. So that's the grocery haul for this week. Not a lot for our house, specifically the cheese and some of the beans, and then of course some of the cleaning products. But that is it. So thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like grocery hauls, give us a thumbs up. If you have Sunday Socials at your church, thumb us up. If you're still not clear on what Sunday Socials are and you want to know, leave us a comment. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We'd love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next time we grocery shop, bye now.